All right, everyone, 2018 was a great year, and like all great years, we should always end it on a great note. It is Fire Alarm Palooza time, once again. Here we go. Here we go.
There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately.
So here's the setup this year. This is probably the last time I will be able to do this, so I thought it was pretty good setup this year. The one thing is the simplex horn failed on us. We forgot to pull it, unfortunately. So maybe I'll make that up to you right now. I wonder if I can. There you go. Simplex horn went off. Anyway, this is our setup. Big thanks to my friend Tyler over here. Tyler also runs a YouTube channel called, what's your YouTube channel?
Tyler Joe Gaming.
You guys should go follow Tyler Joe Gaming. His channel link is in the description, and you guys should go subscribe to him, because without him, this would have taken like 8 hours, and instead it only took 4. Yay! So there we go, everyone. Happy 2019, and I appreciate all the support this year. It's been awesome, and thanks for a great year, everyone. We'll see you next year. Now comes the fun part. We get to clean this up! Yay! Woohoo!